Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you what's inside my school bag. Oh, it's so heavy. Wait, I need to arrange this thing because this is like the microphone thing. So this is my school bag. This is my favorite shade. Ooh. This is Jansport actually. So let's get onto the video. Joke, okay. I'm just joking. So what's inside this school bag is I'm gonna show you the books. Also, I'm not gonna show you the books because it's like just the same. If you have like English notebook, English book, you will have English notebooks. Math notebook. Computer notebooks. And then other one, and then there. So the first pocket is the books, and one book doesn't include notebooks. So first is arts and activity. It's like craft, and what's inside this is this. This is like the materials you need from the other things, but the other things you need like glue or stuff like that. It doesn't include here. It's like rare, and it's really awesome. I'm gonna put it back. Next is, oopsie. Okay. Wait. Okay. Next is computer. Well, I didn't start it here yet, but it's like kinda awesome. Next is maths. It is countdown 3, 2, maths. It's so funny. Okay, it's not funny then. Okay, fine. Next is science. Well, actually science is hard for me because if you like start in unit 1, and then if you're like you need, and then no, our teacher will like read this, and then you will read it again. You will like read this and then copy this, and then read, and then copy it, and then read it and copy it, and then there, which is hard. It is hard because sometimes they are so long, but they are easy to read because they're, it's just reading. Next is social studies. Know your world. From Pakistan, you like learn about Pakistan. Next is, what is it? Oh yeah. Next is English language book. Language book is like about a story, and then it like have a question. It have like a question, and then the other stuff. It like comes with this 3 English things, 2 English things, grammar and practice book. They like example. I read cliffhanger, and then I will like search it here, and like I will learn like the grammar in the cliffhanger. Oops. Oh my gosh. Oh, the cliffhanger. That is so funny. Hold on. From the cliffhanger, and the practice book is all about like questions and stuff. Wait, yeah, and question and stuff. So, and the last book is Islamic. This is where because I am Muslim, so that means I learn Islamic. So this like includes surah and stuff. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Okay, sorry. So that is the books, and now I'm gonna show you the last packet. Okay, wait, I need to put them back. Never see you again because I hate you again. I'm just kidding. Okay, that was so. I still remember when my tablet just fell. Okay, the next is what's inside this pocket is it includes Boss water, and it comes with this little container, a bottle. I mean, yeah, bottle, and it's like fit, and it's delicious, super delicious. I'm gonna drink some. It's actually made from French, Norway. Yeah. Next is, of course, our Oreo snacks. I really love Oreo. Next is a highlighter to highlight your words and or sentences. And of course, it's not completed without a pen. A pen, blue pen or black pen, it's like the same, not red pen. Oops, not red pen. This comes with a eraser, which is amazing. So amazing. And that is like awesome. So I don't need like a whitener or stuff. So this, and this is like the last item, compass. Compass is like important also for math and stuff. And I have a remembrance from it. Where is it? Oh, is it here? Oh, it's here. So this is my remembrance from my other school. So that's it, guys, and I'm gonna video later or tomorrow or anything or next month or next year, I don't know. Because actually I uploaded a video, but I didn't upload another video, so this is like the last video or something else. So bye.